Hey gals, just wanted to show you an alternate way to schedule meetings. It might be a little easier for the students because they can just go into your chat room channel and join that way instead of having to go through their email on Outlook. And I think a few students don't really know how to do that yet. So if you go into our Achieve channel for the class, or Achieve team, I guess, and then you go down, I'm going to pick my class. And you'll see like my classes show up right here. So the students can just click on them and then click join up there. They don't have to go in a calendar or anything like that. I think most know to do that, but not everybody does. Anyway, so how I do it, I just go to Meet. Oh, wait, it's the wrong one. Schedule a meeting. And then I would just type in, I always type in what we're doing. So I'm not going to do that now, but you would type in whatever you're doing or Amanda's class or whatever. And I don't know if you guys can get this or you can't get it or whatever, but this is how I send it to the class. And then the time and everything. So the rest of it's the same, and then send it. But the difference is it shows up right here in my chat so that when it's time, they can just click on this and join. They don't have to go through the calendar. But, I mean, we could do it that way too. I'll just have to go over both ways with the students. But anyway, it's good to have options. So let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thanks.